Here's a 2021 Toyota 4Runner. The wildest adventures aren't on a map. They're in this rugged 4Runner. Jump in and head for the trails. Features include auto-dimming rearview mirror, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, automatic transmission, manual tilting steering column, doors and push-button start proximity key, streaming audio, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, four-wheel drive, and V6 engine. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. Take it for a test drive today.